Hello students, welcome to my channel where you can join the pillar of success and get ahead of others. So today we are going to start a very interesting chapter of class 9th mathematics for ICSE board, which is simultaneous linear equation. Okay, so before understanding about the simultaneous linear equation, we will have to understand about the linear equation into two variable. What is linear equation into two variable? Name itself suggests you there is a two variable and the degree of the variable is 1. So the general form of linear equation is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b, c all belongs to real number and x and y are variable. X and y are variable and a, b, c are the real number. It may be rational, it may be irrational, anything it can be. Okay. Why we are saying it a linear equation? How can we say that it is a linear equation? Because when you represent this equation into a graph, you will get a straight line. Okay, whenever you represent the linear equation into graph, in a Cartesian plane, you will get a straight line. Here I am going to take one example. 2x plus y equals to 10. Okay, 2x plus y equals to 10. If I will ask you what is the value of a, then the coefficient of x is called a. So the coefficient of x is 2. What is the value of b? The coefficient of y is called b. Here the coefficient of y is what? If nothing is multiplied over there, means 1 is multiplied. So the value of b is 1. And what is the value of c? So the value of c is minus 10. If it will go to the other side of equal, it will become minus 10 equals to 0. So the value of c equals to minus 10. Why I had chosen this example over here? There is a reason. I want to tell you when I am going to represent this equation into graph, whether I am getting a straight line or not. Okay. So 2x plus y equals to 10, that equation is given to you. Now, if I told you to convert any variable in terms of another variable, so here I am converting the variable y in terms of x. So this 2x will go to the other side of equal. So y equals to 10 minus 2x. Now make a table for this x and y, value of variables. Now I am making a table over here. Here, now if I will put the value of x as a 0, so then what value of y I will get? 10 minus 2 into 0, 2 into 0 becomes 0, so 10 minus 0 becomes 10. If I will put the value of x as a 2, so 2 2 ja 4, 10 minus 4 becomes 6. Similarly, if I will put the value of x as a 3, I will get the value of y as a 4. And if I will put the value of x as a 5, so 2 5 ja 10, 10 and minus 10 become 0. Okay. Now, if I am going to represent this values of variable into a graph by taking x and y as a coordinates of the plane, then I'll get the value like this. Now I am taking a Cartesian plane of x-axis and y-axis. I have taken a positive x-axis and positive y-axis. Why so? Because all the value which I have chosen over here are positive. So by the first quadrant I can manage my work. Okay. So what are the value of x? You have 2, 3, 0, 2, 3 and 5. So take any suitable scale for x and write down all the numbers. So I have taken 1 unit of scale. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, what are the value for y? I have 10, 6, 4 and 0. So again I am taking any suitable scale and I will put the value. I have taken 2 unit over here. So 0, after 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now I am going to plot all the points. If the value of x is 0, then value of y is 10. So if the value of x is 0, then the point lies on y-axis. So 0, 10. If the value of x is 2, then the value of y is 6. If the value of x is 3, then the value of y is 4. That all the value we have in our table. If the value of x is 5, then the value of y is 0. If the value of y is 0, then the point lies on x-axis. So 5, 0. Now if I will join all these points, what I will get? I will get a straight line. Okay, so it is a straight line for the equation of 2x plus y is equals to 10. So that's why we are saying it linear equation into two variable. When we represent a linear equation in the graph, we will get a straight line. Okay, now we'll discuss about the pair of linear equation into two variable, or you can say system of linear equation into two variable. Means now you have two equation of linear equation into two variable. Pair. What is the meaning of pair? Where two things together come is called pair. So now we'll discuss about the pair of linear equation into two variable. Means we have two equation for the same variable. Okay. So the general form of pair of linear equation into two variable is what? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. Similarly a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Now what you are getting from here? You are getting, if I am going to represent this equation into a graph, we will get a two straight line. One straight line for equation 1 and similarly second straight line for equation 2. है ना? Okay. So there is one example I had given over here, like 4x minus 3y equals to 8. This is the equation number 1, and x minus 2y is equals to minus 3, equation number 2. These are the two equations. So now it is a pair of linear equation into two variable. There is a two variable x and y, and I have two equation. That's why we are saying it pair of linear equation into two variable. So what is the value of a1? In first equation, the coefficient of x is called a1. So the value of a1 is 4. a2 is minus, b1 is minus 3. a1 is 4, b1 is minus 3, and plus 8 will come to this side, then the 0 becomes that side. So plus 8 will come this side, so it will become minus 8. So the value of c1 is minus 8. Similarly, the coefficient of x over here is 1. So the value of a2 is 1, b2 is minus 2, and c2 is minus 3 will go to the other side of equal, it become plus 3. So the value of c2 is 3. Okay. Now we'll discuss about the solution of linear equation into two variable. What is the meaning of solution of linear equation into two variable? The value of the variables, listen carefully, the value of variables through which both the equation are satisfied with their left hand side and right hand side are called values of variables. Means what I want to say over here, if the value of variable x and y, whatever the value, if I will put the value of x and y some here, and after putting it, when I will solve it, I will get 8 as an answer. Means left hand side will be equals to the right hand side. Then we can say the value of that variables are the solution of the pair of linear equation into two variables. Similarly, the same value when I put over here, I will get the answer as a minus 3. So these are called the solution of linear equation into two variable. Values of variable for which both the equation are satisfied with their left hand side and right hand side are called the solution of linear equation into two variable. We can find out the solution of linear equation into two variable by the three different methods. The first method is substitution method, the second method is elimination method, and the third method is cross multiplication method. By any of the method you can find out the values of variables, or you can say it, find out the solution of linear equation into two variables. We'll deal it I will going to explain it each and every one by one. Don't worry about it. So now we're going to start about the substitution method. Okay. So now we'll discuss the substitution method for finding the solution of pair of linear equation into two variable, or you can say system of linear equation into two variable. By substitution method, how we can find out the solution of the given pair of linear equation. Okay. The name itself substitution means we'll substitute the one variable in terms of another variable. What we will have to do over here, we have two equation given because we are going to discuss about the pair of linear equation into two variable. So we will find the value of any one of the variable from any one of the equation in terms of another variable, and we will put that values of variable in the next equation. What we will do, again I am going to repeat, we will find the value of any one variable from any of one of the equation in terms of another variable, and we'll put that value of variable in the next equation. So here one example I have taken, 4x minus 3y equals to 8. This is our equation number 1, and x minus 2y equals to minus 3. Okay, so from equation 2 I am converting the value of variable x in terms of y. So if minus 2y will go to the other side of equal, what it will become plus 2y. So x equals to minus 2y will go to the other side of equal, become plus 2y. So 2y minus 3. Now I have converted the value of one variable from one equation in terms of another variable, and I am going to put this value of variable in the next equation. So what is the next equation over here? 4x minus 3y equals to 8. So what I have written over here, put the value of x from equation number 2 to equation number 1. Okay, so what is equation number 1? You have 4x minus 3y equals to 8. Now 4 into x. What is the value of x you have in equation 2, which is 2y minus 3. Put it over here, minus 3y equals to 8. Now 4 2 ja 8y, and 4 3 ja 12, plus and minus 12, minus 3y equals to 8. So 8y minus 12 minus 3y equals to 8. 8y and 3y are the like terms because both the variable are same, having the same power. So 8y minus 3y become 5y, and minus 12 will go to the other side of equal, so it will become plus 12. So 8 plus 12 become 20. So 5y equals to 20 means 5 into y equals to 20. If 5 is in multiply with the y, it will go to the other side of equal, it will become divide. So y equals to 20 upon 5. After dividing it, we will get the value of y as 4. Now put the value of y in either of the equation. Either you can put the value of y in equation number 1, or you can put the value of y in equation number 2. So I am going to put the value of y in equation number 2. So what we have as equation number 2? X equals to 2y minus 3. So x equals to 2y minus 3. 2 into, what is the value of y we have? 4. So 2 4 ja 8 minus 3. So x equals to 8 minus 3 equals to 5. So x equals to 5 and y equals to 4 are the solution of linear equation into two variable. How we can say these are the solution? See over here. Okay, if I'll put the value of x in first equation and y, will get answer as a 4. So 4 into, what is the value of x we have? 5. 4 into 5 minus 3 into 4. 4 5 is 20 minus 12. What we will get? 8, which is the right side of this equation. Similarly, what equation 2 we have? X minus 2y. What is the value of x we have? We have the value of x as a 5 minus 2 into, what is the value of y we have? 4. So 5 minus 8, 5 minus 8 become minus 3, which is the right side of the second equation. So these are the solution of pair of linear equation into two variable. Okay class, so I hope you all will get everything whatever I had taught you today, and your homework is to solve the first exercise of simultaneous equation into two variable. We will discuss the rest of the topic or rest of the question tomorrow itself. Thank you so much, and please do your homework. Thank you so much.